what is next? Like what kind of views, what kind of data, what kind of features are you going to be building into Lunie over the next 3 to 6 months?
Yeah, sure. So there's a lot of interesting data that is not easy to access right now, but we're working on it, or maybe we'll be working with you on it. I mean, historical data is obvious. Being able to watch your balance over time, especially in a system that's kind of based around rewards, you want to see how your balance is changing over time. Historical data in blockchains that upgrade is a challenge too. So right now, the Cosmos Hub is on the third version. So right now, Looney doesn't show data from Hub 1 and Hub 2. So this is like transaction history. Of course, your balance doesn't reset or anything like that. But so just having more, having a comprehensive being able to show all the data that's relevant, despite the technical challenges, is the role of a UI. I think the role of a product like ours. We're particularly interested in advancing the state of like validator data. So we're in a unique position. We're adding a bunch of new networks to Looney over the course of the year, and then we can start aggregating data across networks. Like validator profiles right now are per network, but we can combine them and show the uptime across networks. We can show the commission rates across networks. We can show all types of different data from multiple blockchains, which I think will provide users with a more comprehensive picture, right? Voting power across networks is kind of interesting, right? Maybe everybody stakers have different objectives. Some just are optimizing yield. Some want to promote decentralization, and so getting more. I think aggregating data is really the next thing. We're in a unique position to do that. From a data perspective, too, the next thing is for us the notification system. So like, there's a lot of stuff happening. These blockchains don't sleep, right? They're online and
unless you're IOTA.
Sure. So every 6 to 8 seconds there's a new block and things are happening. Right now there aren't really any great notification or like alerting systems for end users. So one example, I have a staking portfolio and includes a bunch of different validators. I don't get any notifications if any of them experience any downtime or if they change their commission rates or their fee rates, right? Like, so there's important stuff happening all the time. If there's a slashing event on any blockchain that I'm on, I would love to know about it. A few weeks ago in a Cosmos Telegram, there's like people were freaking out. One of the validators was offline and nobody could get a hold of them. And it's like, well, so some of the validators have monitoring and alerting systems in place, of course, for their own purposes. But I think a user-facing product in this area is something we're working on and pretty excited about.
Yeah, I believe their alerting and monitor is more on the infrastructure layer.
Exactly.
So they have missed blocks and that kind of stuff, which is not super helpful to the end user.